Hello, it's Mr. Rouse teaching math today. Today we're teaching 9.4. We're relating fractions, decimals, and money. Okay, so how much money do we have right here? Ding, 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 $1. Or how many pennies is in $1? You got it, there's 100. So actually I could shade in this whole lovely box here, and I'm not going to do it very well, but I could shade in that entire box because it's 100 out of 100. Okay, but now I have what? Well, how much is here? Good, a dime. And most kids, when they write a dime, or write cents, want to write it that way, the old-fashioned way. I go, no, 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 no. Okay, so here we're trying to teach kids, you write it the same way you write a decimal. See, I would shade in 10 of these, maybe. I would shade in the first 10 of these. And it would be, if we wrote this over a fraction, it would be 10 over 100. If I wrote it as a decimal, it would be 0.10, because it's 10 hundredths. You already learned that. Now to write it in money, I would write 0.10 with a dollar sign. Or you would write 0.10 with a dollar sign, because there's no dollar bills in front of it. And this we know is a 1 penny. So I shade in one box. I would write 1 over 100 and point what? 0.01 or 0.0, not 00, sorry. Whoa, watch Mr. Rouse make some mistakes, okay? It's 0.01. And then right with a dollar sign. So really, this would be your answer that they're looking for today. They want all three. And actually, what they will do is they will give you one of them, and you need to write the other two. The other part of their homework today is you got to count the cents. I've got 1 quarter, 2 quarters, a dime, so 65, 65, 66, 67. So I've got 67. Okay, to write it in money, I would write 0.67 with the dollar sign. To write it as a decimal, I would write 0.67. To write it as a fraction, it would be 67 over 100. Okay, so all three. You just on this lesson have to be aware, because they're going to say, okay, here is 0.56. Now give me the other ones. 0.56 with a dollar sign. And then you would need 56 over 100. So they want you to do the opposite of what they ask. Okay, so they want you to give the other two. The other thing that they may do is go, I have 6 dimes and 1 nickel. And they say, okay, now write it in all three. So 6 dimes is 60 cents plus a nickel is 65. So I would write 65. Fraction is 65 over, good, 100. And then 0.65. And then 0.65 with the dollar sign. That's all you're doing today. So this is Mr. Rouse teaching lesson 9.4. Join me next time as we learn 9.5. Have a wonderful, wonderful night.